Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode from my What's in My Kit series. My name's Amia Serrano and I'm a fashion stylist. What I have in my kit that I'm going to be sharing with you today are Band-Aids. Now, with Band-Aids specifically, I have them in sheer because you don't want them popping out on the skin when you use them on a model. Like, say, for instance, they cut themselves and they need to wear it. They don't want to get blisters, like the women don't want to get blisters on the back of their ankles when they're wearing the heels or even like combat style boots, like especially docs. Like, you know how docs do that if you have a pair. I'm gonna open them because I don't want to waste them. They're like a nude sheer color. And then it's true stay, meaning they're not gonna slip. So if I need the model to wear them with the shoes, they're not gonna keep popping off or flipping off, or like, you know how they kind of like hang off the skin when it like isn't sticky anymore? Well, these don't do that. Actually have them in 4 sizes. Again, I'm not gonna take them out and open them because there's just like, there's a ton. And there's so many in there too. Now the different sizes that they come in. So this you can always put on like a small blister. It could be a cut or a blister like in the back of the ankle. This can be more of like on your fingers or your hand or your arm or wherever if it's a small cut. So it comes in different sizes because you don't know what you're gonna need to cover. And you don't know what kind of cut someone's gonna get if they get injured or something. So the blisters, the bunions, and the cuts. And again, you don't have to use that brand, but I use this brand because after trying them out and trying this specific box out, the Band-Aid doesn't come off. And I've even used this on myself when I wear heels and I have a blister on the back of my ankle and I just really want to wear those heels still. It doesn't come off because you know how you walk and the back just like kind of rubs up against it, and sometimes Band-Aids that I've used in the past that are pretty cheap, they start to like wrinkle and then just like start like squishing down, and then they just completely come off and they just don't work. But these are good. You can now shop the Amazon storefront in the Shop What's in My Kit link in my bio. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe for more.